Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep setting up your mobile to capture writing on a mini whiteboard. So I'm going to jump inside my workspace here with the control panel open. I'm going to make sure that mini whiteboard is selected and mobile is selected as my input. Next I'm going to open my mobile app. JIBB Connect should be open and should look like this so that I can then turn the camera preview on. It's a very important step so that you can see what you're doing. And as you can see, I don't have a phone stand, but I'm actually going to use this coffee mug to place my phone upright and slightly leaning forward. I might move it a little bit further away so that I can make sure that the whole mini whiteboard is fitting inside the camera preview. Now that I can see that's all good, I'm going to click start. I'm going to leave my hands out of the way so that JIBB can detect the whole writing surface without anything in the way. JIBB's also telling me to start writing, and I can see that JIBB has selected the green frame around my mini whiteboard here. I'm going to draw a little graph like this, and my content instantly gets displayed inside my JIBB workspace. It's as simple as that. If you'd like to learn more about using JIBB with our other surfaces or camera inputs, go to jibb.ai/help to watch all of our tutorial videos. Anyway, thank you for watching.